Hello everybody, welcome back to Lulu Gaming. And so, okay, just gonna turn that sound off, just in case any copyright music comes. So, yeah, and my brother is letting me use his headphones, which is so nice. He has the best. Okay, so we are playing Roblox in high school, as you can see. Okay, and also, click the like button, subscribe, and hit that bell so you get notified when I upload a new video. So, let's get right into it. Let's fix it. Okay. Just load. Oh, little stingray right there. Right there, little stingray. Do you see him? Okay, we can a little bit of a tour. I think I found myself a cheerleader. She's always right there when I need her. Think I found myself a cheerleader. Okay, blah blah blah. No thanks. I can't. Sorry. Bye. Go on to music class. Bow, bow, bow. Go on music class. What are we gonna do? Huh? Nobody's here. Okay, I'm leaving. Because it ends at 12 o'clock. And it's 11:11. Okay, I'm gonna scoop this down so you can see my face a little more. It's just stayed on like right there's good. Okay, walking through the hallways, walking through the halls. Whee! What if I go back here? Myself. Can I go into the trash can? I'm in a trash can! Okay. Sorry I have to move the mic so much. I have a little bit of like a coughing cold, but I don't really have like that big of a cold. It's not that big of a deal. Wait, why is there a random door here? Explore maze, win the picket shoulder combination, or the top office. Yes, let's go. Halloween maze. Enter if you dare. Halloween Eve maze. Okay. Get to the center of the main surprise. Watch out for monsters that can catch you, and I'll send you back to the start. Okay. That's a dead end. So we need to go either here. Can go. No, that's a dead end. We could not go there. We can't go there. So we still have to keep on going. Glitched out. And this is a dead end. No, I don't want to go to lunch. No, I'll teleport after. Get into the middle. I think this might be a good way. Oh, shoot! That scared me so much, you guys. Oh my gosh. Okay, so now we know there's a monster there. That scared me so much, you guys. It's so super scary. So go this way. Not that way. We go this way. this time. Oh, we hit a dead end. I'm gonna check over there to make sure there's no monster or something. There's a monster right there. Okay. I'm gonna survive. That monster's dead. There's no other way. The monster's still there, you guys. Now let's go the other way. We're gonna stay here. There's a monster right there. Oh, I didn't realize this way. Okay, that's the done end. Probably copyright, but I don't know. You guys, did you see me get away from that monster? Aw, it doesn't let you cheat. So I'm gonna exit this game. So you guys, we are going to play epic minigames. Nah, we've been doing this for 8 minutes. So as you know, I've only made 3 gaming videos. This is going to be amazing, I'm telling you. I'm doing good for my first time. Oh, I saw a gunshot. So me had a dance with baby girl, you don't have some romance. I don't get anything that you need to. So I began keeping rope that I never fall. Oops, you messed up. 1, 2, oops, you messed up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Aw, that makes me sad. 'Cause I never before. I got a pet. I got my rat pet. So I got my little friend. He's right behind me, and he's right there, right there, behind me. I hate you guys. Oh, I hate this one. I'm gonna go down the side. And why is the pond? And why am I wearing short sleeves, huh? Why am I wearing shorts? Yeah? Sorry, I can't. I'm on a YouTube video. So, got 8 wins because I won that last game. But, oh, that's different. Okay. I'm on the pumpkins. Oh, you. Let me through. I knew I would be the first to get. Why do I keep on dying? Woo! Woo! Boo boo doo boo doo doo. Poo 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 doo boo doo doo. Poo poo doo ba doo ba. This game. Wait. Come and join me at the scary story at the end of the story. Okay, I will play. So my friend just chatted me on this video. Gonna go join her game. It's called Scary Stories. You guys got spooked. Would you like to take me? Okay, so how do you play this? Wait, what? Am I the only one playing this?